guys, welcome back to All Things Nawni, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. So today I have an unboxing for you. It's been about 2 weeks since I've posted a video to YouTube. Part of that is because we finally went on our trip to Europe, which I've been blabbing about in all of my vlogs. We had a great time. I recorded a lot of it, so I will be posting travel vlogs for each location that we visited. I just need time to edit that, and hopefully I can do that this weekend. But in the meantime, since I haven't posted a video in 2 weeks, I wanted to hop on and do an unboxing of something that I recently purchased. So as you can see from the title of this video, it is a Cartier unboxing. So I'm super excited about this item. I don't want to waste your time going into too much detail before I actually show you what it is. I'll unbox it and then I'll give you a little bit of the story of how I ended up buying this item once you see it. Here's the bag. And inside we have Cartier box. So excited. So I will quickly say the reason that it's not wrapped in the usual white wrapping with the red wax seal stamp is because I did buy this in another country, and so I didn't think about it not being wrapped up until I got back home, and I was like, wait a minute, other Cartier pieces that I've bought have been wrapped, and you know, part of the whole unboxing is unwrapping it. But I think the reason that they didn't wrap it up is because when you're traveling internationally and you go through customs, there is a chance that they may ask to see the items that you purchased. And so if it's wrapped up, that just makes it a little bit more difficult and complicated. So I think the purpose of that was to make it easier in case I did get asked to show what I bought. So, yeah, don't fall out. I always love how like they have that little opening, and of course it's not staying closed. And so here we have a Cartier justeunclou bracelet. Are you gagging? I'm gagging. I can't even believe I have it. Focus, let's focus. Get into it. Get into the detail. All right, so a little bit about it. When I originally went into the Cartier store, I was torn between getting the justeunclou or the love bracelet. So I already have the love ring. And so I was like, oh, you know, my original plans had been when I first bought the love ring that I would get the matching bracelet. The more research I did, the more I started leaning against getting the love bracelet, just because one, having had the love ring for a year now, seeing how easily it gets scratched, how it starts to look over time, I'm just not a fan of. And I've also watched other people's YouTube videos where, you know, they've done reviews on their love bracelets. And I don't know, I just started feeling like that's not what I want to spend my money on. So I started thinking about the justeunclou. So when I went into the Cartier store and I discussed all of this with the sales associate whose name was Nikolai, he was super helpful, so informative, like answered all of our questions, took so much time with us, even went through like, I told him, you know, these are the places that I'm traveling. I'm trying to get the best bang for my buck. Which location would I save the most in buying this bracelet? And he looked up where the bracelet was in each location, went through taxes and all of that, and ultimately gave me the place in which I would save the most. It's still super expensive. I'm a little bit weird about like stating what the price was. Obviously, if you're traveling internationally, the price is going to be different, especially when you're considering areas that have a VAT refund, other areas that don't have a VAT refund. If you live in the United States, if you live in a state that, you know, has shopping tax or whatever. I live in a state that's tax-free as far as shopping goes. So, you know, it varies, and I don't want to, you know, be on here saying like, this is what I pay for, this is how much it's going to cost you. Obviously too, the prices are always increasing. So what I'll do is link below, you know, a link to this bracelet so that you can see, you know, what it is online in the US. And just discussing the two things that I was considering with the sales associate, he recommended that I get the justeunclou. I got it in the rose gold, and I decided to get it with the diamonds, and it's also the small size. So it comes in like a larger, thicker size, or you can get it in the smaller, skinnier size. The larger, thicker size obviously is a couple thousand more. It was a bit more bulky than what I was looking for my wrist. I was considering the love bracelet in the 18 karat yellow gold. Small size as well, because there's a thicker size and a smaller size. The cost between the 18 karat yellow gold small love bracelet versus the justeunclou any color gold bracelet with the diamonds was around the same price. And so I was like, I'd rather get something that has diamonds on it versus spending a little bit more to get something that's just gold with no diamonds. So here it is. Again, it's the rose gold. It has 20 diamonds on it. So the diamonds are all around, you know, this circle. And I apologize if it's not adjusting, but the diamonds are all around here. And then they're also on the end of this little point. The difference between the bigger one, obviously it's more gold, the thicker one, but the thicker one has a magnetic closure, whereas this is more just like a wiry, like, you know, it's just wiry and thinner. But I still love it. I'm so excited to have it. I'm like, when am I gonna wear this? What am I gonna wear it with? Like, is it an everyday piece? He said it could be worn every day. You can sleep with it, you know, shower with it. I don't know that I'm going to do that because I do want to take care of it, but I just love it. I'm so excited to have it. We had just such a great shopping experience in the London store. He was just so helpful. Like I said, took time with us, gave us champagne while we were there, which we learned that Cartier has their own brand of champagne that they serve in stores when you're shopping. It's not obviously like not sold in liquor stores or anywhere like that. It's just served in their stores, and it was delicious. I've made other Cartier purchases in the US at like the store that's closest to where I live, and I didn't have a great experience. I think one time my husband and I went in and we're literally like buying 2 love rings. They asked us like, oh, do you want water? My husband was like, oh, do you have champagne? They were like, no. We're like, you don't have champagne? Like, that's a part of the experience. They told us we couldn't be given champagne in the store. Anyway, in London, we were given champagne, and as much as we wanted, obviously, like, we didn't drink a ton of it, but it was just, they were accommodating, just willing to go the extra mile. The store is beautiful. They have multiple levels. It's just like a whole nother level of experience. Definitely nothing that I've encountered at any store in the US, not even just like a jewelry store, just any luxury goods store. And it just made the overall shopping experience just like that much better. And it made me feel good about spending so much money on such a tiny little thing. Like I said, it has 20 diamonds, which total 0.18 carats. It's not that much, I guess. I don't even think that the camera is doing it justice, but it is just so beautiful. I think I'm just so excited to have it, guys. I think I got it in a size 16, I believe. So he sized me and figured out which size fit the best for my wrist. I love the way that it fits. We even tried like a size above that, but it was a little bit too loose for my wrist. So I'm happy with that. Oh, I had seen other people's YouTube videos where they talk about how they've been given like a cleaning kit, or they've been given just sort of like little extras when they made their purchase. I've never received that until this time. So additionally, in my bag, he gave me a travel pouch for the bracelet, which is really nice. I have a travel pouch for my other items, but it's super small, just square, kind of like shove it in. This has a pillow for you to wrap it around, you know, and then that's what the inside looks like. So that's really nice. I appreciated that. And then he did also give me a cleaning kit for my items, which I can't wait to use. That was part of like why I wanted to unbox this, so I can start wearing my bracelet and cleaning my stuff. So it has like a cloth that says Cartier, and then it has a toothbrush. It has a brush, and then the cleaning solution. So that'll be really nice. And I think, oh, and it has a booklet, which I'm sure just like is the instructions. Obviously, you also get, you know, with your purchase, your certificate that has your serial number and everything for your particular piece of jewelry, which I always think is cool. Comes in this nice booklet. It'd just be the packaging for me. Like, seriously, that's really what I'm here for. But that's basically it. That's everything that, you know, came with my purchase. It was just a really nice shopping experience and just next level customer service. I even got an email from him a couple of days after, just asking how I'm enjoying it, which I need to respond because I haven't even worn it yet because I was waiting to do an unboxing. That's it. I'm excited to wear it. I've got a few other things that I'm planning to unbox, so in the next couple of weeks I'll also have additional unboxings for other exciting things that I bought. I had filmed a wish list of things that I wanted to buy while we were away, literally in that video, so I couldn't upload it because it just looked a mess. It was just embarrassing, actually. And so in that video, I listed out like I wanted justeunclou and a couple of other things. And I was like, I'm probably not going to be able to get these things, but you know, I'd just be super grateful if I did get them. And I went back and looked at it and I got most of the things that I actually said that I wanted. So I'm just excited. I'm happy. I'm going to come back with a travel vlog and then also some additional unboxings. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Hope everybody's doing well and take care. Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bell notifications.